How would you like to write conveniently at home, work at flexible hours, set your own schedule, spend more time with your family and friends, and get a nice big fat paycheck at the end of the month? Writing Jobs and its partners bring you fresh and creative opportunities to get writing jobs online and get paid to boot. This is a perfect opportunity for freelance writers and just about anybody who can write that just don't have time for a commute to a dead-end, part-time job. Or, for anyone who wants to sit in their pajamas and work at home. When you join Writing Jobs, you will earn up to $30 to $120 per hour, get paid up to $50 per article, get paid up to $500 to $1,000 for short ebooks, get cash from thousands of our daily high-paying writing jobs, all kinds of writing jobs from you to choose from, flexible working hours, work when you want to, write content anywhere in the world, no experience needed to join. Now you can live the laptop lifestyle and make a full-time income or make extra cash by providing written content to thousands of our partners that need them for their websites, blogs, books, magazines, marketing materials, and many more. These are just some of the ways you can make money with our online writing jobs and strategic partnerships with major corporations. Online writing jobs benefits: no boss, no noisy alarm clocks, and definitely no schedules. You make your own decisions. There are no unrealistic deadlines and nobody telling you how much to work. You get to decide how much you work, part-time, full-time, or overtime. Earn up to $500 to $5,000 every month, making a better than average income doing what you want, when you want. Get out of the rat race today. You get to decide because you have the freedom of working for yourself. We aren't filthy rich, but we sure enjoy what we do. We are normal people, we don't flaunt our money, or dine expensively every night. We just enjoy ourselves and what we do. We have never released this information until now, and there has been an overwhelmingly successful response from it. Make money writing online or your money back, period. I am so sure that you will love how much money you make, I guarantee you. If Writing Jobs does not help you make money, just let me know within 60 days and I will gladly refund your subscription. No questions asked. I have found this to be one of the easiest and most fun ways to make money today, including people with no writing experience at all. I find this job very easy, practical, and flexible. I get to spend more time with my family and hang out with friends, and still have time for my other hobbies. Plus, the compensation is extremely overwhelming. No one will ever think that you work at home with your pay. You can have this life too. Start now by clicking here. You will be the one showing off the checks to your disbelieving friends. If this sounds too good to be true, believe me, I felt the same way at first. I felt guilty about raking in cash just by writing online. Then I remembered the catty office politics and the long commute every day that I left behind, and I began to change my thinking to enjoy all the freedom and empowerment I am now experiencing at home. Read more and click the link below.